Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we're tackling a genuinely scary message that can pop up on your screen. Kernel panic, not syncing, attempted to kill Init. It looks like a computer's worst nightmare, a complete system breakdown, but don't worry, we're going to break down what it means and how you can fix it. Think of your computer's kernel as its brain, the core part of the operating system that manages everything. When you see kernel panic, it means this brain has encountered a critical error it can't recover from, forcing it to stop completely to prevent further damage. The not syncing part indicates that the system couldn't safely write data to the disk, which can lead to data loss if not handled. And attempted to kill Init means the computer tried to shut down or restart its very first process, called Init, which is responsible for starting everything else, but it failed. It's like your car engine dying, and then the emergency brake also fails to engage. So, what causes this digital meltdown? There are several common culprits. Often, it's a hardware issue. This could be faulty RAM, a failing hard drive, or even simply loose cables inside your computer. Sometimes, newly installed hardware or drivers can conflict with your system, leading to a panic. Software bugs are another big factor. A corrupted operating system file, a bad update, or even specific software programs can trigger this error. Incorrect BIOS or UEFI settings, which are your computer's basic startup instructions, can also play a role. Overheating components can cause instability, and even insufficient disk space can sometimes contribute to these issues. Now, let's talk about how to fix it. Don't panic yourself. First, the simplest step is often the most effective. Just restart your computer. Sometimes, it's a one-off glitch. If it persists, start troubleshooting hardware. Carefully open your computer case if you're comfortable, and reseat your RAM modules by gently pressing them down. Check all power and data cables connected to your hard drives or SSDs to make sure they're snug. Try disconnecting any non-essential peripherals like external hard drives or printers to rule them out. Next, try booting your computer into safe mode or recovery mode. This typically loads only the essential drivers and services, which can help you isolate the problem. In this mode, you can try to undo recent changes, like uninstalling a problematic driver or performing a system restore to an earlier point. You should also run disk checks, like FSCK on Linux or CheckDisk on Windows, to look for and repair file system errors. Ensure all your drivers, especially for graphics and storage, are up to date. Sometimes, resetting your BIOS or UEFI settings to their factory defaults can resolve configuration conflicts. As a last resort, if all else fails and you've backed up your important data, reinstalling your operating system might be necessary. This will erase everything but will give you a fresh start. Tackling a kernel panic can be daunting, but with these steps, you're well equipped to diagnose and hopefully resolve the issue. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Your support helps me create more content like this.